Hello guys, and welcome back to StaadPro. In today's class, I'm just quickly going to show us what I promised us in last class, which I was not able to do, which is how to block an object in brisc. I'm actually using brisc instead of AutoCAD, but brisc and AutoCAD, they are almost the same thing. So if you're using AutoCAD, it's the same procedure you're going to follow. So it's going to be very simple. So before I continue, I urge you to just like this video, like and even comment. Then you can also share with your friends. Okay, so how to block an object. So you just select the object you want to block, assuming this has not been blocked. So what I can do to take it back to normal is I'll just type X, which is explode, and enter or backspace. Then this is what it is. Everything is now the way it was originally. Okay, so like I said before, when you open your plot plan, you are going to copy the drawing because the plan is to superimpose it just the way this one is. Yeah, so when you copy it and bring it to this page, it's going to be like this. Then for you to block it, just highlight everything and type block with your keyboard. Once you type block, then you are required to write a description. Just write a name. You can just write anything, it doesn't matter. Just write a unique name, something that you have not used before in blocking any object. Make sure it is under convert to block, then you click on OK. So this is how to block. Very simple. You have actually blocked this object. So if you want to take it back, simply hit X, which is explode, and click enter. So this is what it is. So if I say undo, to go back to the blocked state. So from here, only a single highlight. This is treated as a unit, a whole value, just an object, a single object rather. So I can now move to anywhere I want to move it to as a single object. This is simply how to block an object. I was not able to do it in my past video because my laptop was kind of overworked and needed me to do a restart. So this is a makeup video. So how to block an object. So if you are still yet to subscribe to my channel, I'll beg you to simply do that. Simply do that and give me a thumbs up. Just like this video, out there. Thank you very much, and keep watching our content. Thank you.